just you and me. Hey beauty babes, what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this super cute Halloween cheetah makeup tutorial. I think that this makeup look is super perfect and it's like very easy to do. Like honestly, if you like had no plans for Halloween and all of a sudden you were invited to like a Halloween party or something, you could easily do this, honestly. And I was gonna actually get ears on Amazon, but like they wouldn't have come in time. And honestly, I mean, I don't think it matters. It's fine. It looks fine. I have the scarf. We're set. We're good. But anyways, I thought this look was perfect because it's super cute. Last week we did a super scary look and it was a little bit of like a hard, like, you know, special effects look kind of, I guess. I don't know if that's really what I'd call it, but I can't think of another name. So yeah, I think that we definitely did something super fun and easy and cute. So yeah, if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so since we're going to be doing more of a Halloween look, just like last week's video, I already finished everything, my like concealer, highlighter, all of that, just because we're going to be focusing on the eyes and obviously the cheetah print on our face. That's the wrong way. First thing I'm doing is grabbing out my 39S Such a Gem palette, and I'm going into the color Super Swanky and putting it on my crease. Next, I'm going into the color Bam Gang, and I'm putting that on my crease as well, but I'm really going to mainly be putting it on my crease, really defining it. Next, I'm going into the color Catch the Light, and I'm going to be putting that on my eyelid and my crease, because this is kind of like a smoky eye look. Now I'm pulling out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Liquefied Glitter Eyeshadow in the color Sweet Spot, and I'm just going to be putting this on my eyelid and blending it into the crease as well, putting it on top of the color Catch the Light. Okay, and now it is time for under eye, so I'm just going to be going into the color Super Swanky and putting that underneath my eye. Okay guys, now I'm taking out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color Black, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. Okay, and now we are moving on to eyeliner, so I'm going to be taking out my NYX Professionals That Is the Point eyeliner in the color Put a Wing on It. I know it is not our usual hella fine color. This is like so much different than the other one. It feels like really weird to be holding this instead of my hella fine one, but oh well. So basically we are going to be doing the exact same thing we did for the last. We are going to be doing that Shay Mitchell look where it is just almost like a shape of a wing, and we're also going to be doing the cat eye obviously because this is a cheetah look, so yeah. Okay guys, I will be right back. I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and then we will move on with everything else. Okay guys, so I finished my eyes and I popped on some wings, oh my, popped on some lashes and some mascara, and now we are going to be moving on to the art, kind of, I guess you can call it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is the nose, and I'm just going to kind of draw a little like triangle, little make it cute, and then do a line down to the mouth. But we're not going to do anything on our lips. Okay, and now I'm just going to be doing like three like little whiskers right here and then doing the little lines. Oh, I'm so scared. I feel like, okay, I'm just going to do a little... Okay guys, now we are moving on to lips, so I'm going to be grabbing out my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the color Melted Clover, and I'm just going to be putting this on my lips. Okay, and now we're moving on to the leopard print. So I think I'm going to take out my NYX Professionals eye pencil, and I'm just going to be drawing like half circles, like quarter circles around my face, starting side of my forehead to my kind of like, I guess, cheek. I guess kind of just like really get creative with this. That's all I'm really going to say. Now I'm going back into my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Melted Liquefied Glitter eyeshadow in the color Sweet Spot, and I'm just going to be putting these in the little holes. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or singing requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located out right over here, and it'll also be linked down below. And if you guys actually do this look or do last week's look, please send it to me or DM it to me or whatever, because I'd love to see that. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is the subscribe button down below, obviously, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos, which is actually on Fridays. And I'm actually thinking about changing the time. Instead of 12, I'm going to start posting around 6 o'clock at night, so yeah, a little tip for you. Okay, I think that's all I have to say. Bye bye, beauty babes, love you. Happy Halloween!